Have you ever wondered why sometimes we misunderstand someone's behavior due to our differences? While thinking, it may be caused by our culture, beliefs, or background stories. But, but, there is more to the story. If we delve into deeper knowledge, we will discover epigenetics. Let us consider identical twins. Why might one twin get a heart disease at 55 while her sister runs marathon in perfect health? Identical twins which originate from the same DNA. So, how can they turn out so different even in traits that have a significant genetic component? As we all know, our DNA has those basic codes for physical traits, like eye color, hair, height, blood type, skin color, and more. But in epigenetics, it is the study of how cells control gene activity without changing the DNA sequence. Epigenetic changes are modifications to DNA that regulate whether genes are turned on or off. These modifications are attached to DNA and do not change the sequence of DNA building blocks. Within the complete set of DNA in a cell, which is called genome, all of the modifications that regulate the activity of genes is known as epigenome. So how does it work? Genes in DNA are expressed when they are read and transcribed into RNA, which is translated into proteins by structures called ribosomes. Proteins are much of what determines a cell's characteristics and function. Epigenetic changes can boost or interfere with the transcription of specific genes. The most common way interference happens is that DNA, or the proteins it's wrapped around, gets labeled with small chemical tags. The set of all the chemical tags that are attached to the genome of the given cell is called the epigenome. Epigenetic changes can survive cell division, which means that they could affect an organism for its entire life. Sometimes, that's a good thing. Epigenetic changes are part of normal development. Epigenetics is an exciting area of science that explores how our experiences, environment, and even our ancestors' lives can biologically influence us, suggesting that our perception and behaviors are shaped by more than just our personal backgrounds, giving us a fresh understanding why we each see the world a little differently. So now, do you already have an idea why sometimes we misunderstand someone's behavior? I hope it helps. Bye-bye!